Hello everyone, welcome to the new module. We will be starting what is the sport and resistance. I will explaining this in a very simplified form so all of my students can learn in this very easy way. I won't make this complicated. I will make it as simple as possible. So all of the new traders or the new students or that one students can learn this in a very effective way. Let's begin. What is the sport and resistance? The price level at which an asset repeatedly bounces back is known as support. Is like the price of an bear which bounce back maybe multiple times or a certain point is called the support. As you can see in the diagram which I have drawn for you, I have marked the support and resistance. So the price of an asset which bounce back from a certain point only multiple times is known as the support. As you see in the diagram, the price bounced multiple times. From discipline, it had called multiple times, as you can see this on. And what is the resistance? As you can see in the diagram, I have marked the distance shown above this. The price that each time the price went up, the price got rejected at multiple times. So this is the resistance. Remember, the most important part of this that when the resistance is broken, it may turn into the support. Okay. For example, if this is the resistance, it got multiple times over here. In case if the price break this zone, the price break this zone and this kind of closes above this. So now this is a zone down the resistance won't be resistant and it's changed to the support level. To price will break now the zone to make this as support, and this was a hypothetical example. Let's go to the live chart and find support and resistance on multiple pairs. Okay, now we go to the live chart of the BTC USDT in 15 minutes time frame, and I will show you the support and resistance, and on the table view you can form the trend line. As you can see, I have formed the trend line is here and is that, and I will show the support and resistance. As you can see, the price is break its previous support like that. I will clearly show this is the most important. I will clearly show you the example. Let's start. You will show price, that is the support level, and next is the resistance level. Okay, when the price is touched down its support and it is get rejected from that point, and now its price bounce from this point and it is still got above from that point, and now it will reject and then it hit on this point and it is rejected back, and then price again move to this point. Okay, then price slightly up and then again this on support level. Okay, price up, then again it's support level broken, and that it's made resistance, but it when resistance is broken, it's made support level, it's slightly downward, then the resistance support level is break, then it's below its support level. Okay, as you can see, the price is bounced back from multiple times. As in an example, you can see the price is break on 1 2 3 times it bounce back from this point. It is known as the support level. If you can trade on this level and then you can out on this level, like you are enter in 58,000 and out from this 60,986, then you get a good margin in your pocket. It again turn into the support level at this point, then it's again price is bounced from this point, and it is again the bounce from the this point and to the 59,290, but it again hit that point. The price is still rejection, but it is break is support, then now its support is weak due to every sport has minimum 2 to 3 price is bounce, if the 2 to 3 times the coins is bounced from that point, then the support is weak, then its risk of that support is maybe broken at any time. Okay, if we move to the another example of this paragraph, let me show you this is a strong support. Okay, I will show you this is a strong support. You can easily draw at here. You can easily draw it here. As you can see the chart, the price movement, this is the support and resistance. The prices fall, then it is support the 56, 55,986. Then it again prices bounce back, then it's point to the note it 56,883. It is a resistance level. Then it again hit on its support level. Okay, this is a support. Okay, if you enter in 56,257 and out it's from the resistance point, now check from the resistance point 57,217, you can get a good profit margin. And now you can check it is break its resistance, and now it is 58,532. Okay, from the 58,532 it again hit due to resistance change into the support. If any graph that resistance is break, then this resistance change into the support level. Okay, resistance is change, and now it is again test its support again, but its support is break, and it again to old support level 56,027. Okay, it again bounce back from this point, and now it is 56,779, and again hit, but it's some consistent support, and it is bounce back. Now take simple, let's talk you clearly. We got multiple tabs on support, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this means this is a perfect support. Now it is holding the price, is not further dropping from this. So the price is not moving further away from this zone, which means the buyer could not break the zone. There is a win-win situation over here. Like I see you on that diagram, as you can see, the bounce back from her again and got multiple taps overhead and got rejected. There is a daily time frame chart. This seems a perfect opportunity to buy and sell a drone overhead. You can draw support and resistance drone on any time frame. This is their daily chart. You can draw on any time frame which you want for the best results. I prefer use the early in their daily chart as the weekly. So that is the support and resistance is pretty simple. Guys, practice as much as you can. You will be able to identify support and resistance at multiple time frame. Now, in case to case, if this is the resistance or if the price is able to bypass the zone, now decision has become a support. Resistance change into the support. Now the resistance will be the upside. And the same scenario for the support. If the support is broken and the resistance, now its support change into the resistance. Okay, let's go find some another example for you. Now we will go to the Ethereum section, and for the daily time frame, and you can see the on daily time frame it got multiple hit. As you can see, this is support and this is resistance level. Okay, this is your resistance zone and this is your support zone. As you can see, the market is hit at multiple times. hit to the resistance, and it's again retrace back to its support zone. Okay, it's again above, then it's again to its resistance zone. Then market is again go to the resistance zone. Now market again break the resistance, break the support level, and it's now its support level become resistance, and this level as the change into the support. Okay, and this level support change into the resistance. Okay, now we move another example. As you can see, if we go into the 1 hour time frame, as you can see the in 1 hour time frame, this is the multiple times support is tested, and this is the perfect example. As you can see the I can draw over the, this is your support zone, and this is your resistance zone. Okay, as you can see the market is, if I can market break its resistance, now it becomes support, it again hit near to the resistance, bounce back. Okay, retrace back and bounce back to the price resistance, it retrace back to its support. Again bounce, again resistance and make price. Again bounce, make support. Again bounce, retraced, and then again testing its support. Now its testing is become weak due to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It 5 time tap on. Now it's 1. Now it's, you can see 2 tap, and now 3, now 4. You can easily get 4 trade in this time frame. In this section, you can enter in 2556 when Ethereum break its resistance, it's become resistance change into the support level. Then it's again hit to the 2738. It's retraced back to its point 2556. Then it again bounced back to the near to resistance, and then retraced back second point, then third point, then fourth point. You have 4 trades in your pocket. Okay, when it hit to do to already many time resistance is test, now it's time to support change into the resistance, and now you can see your, this is your support level, and you can get 1 trade, you can get second trade, and you can get third trade. Okay, I will give you live Ethereum chart in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, if I will give you more example of support and resistance, and this is your become the resistance level. I will draw your resistance level. This is your support level, and this, that is your resistance level. Okay, now we move to your path. The market is break its resistance, now support, now resistance change into the support, and price is bounce to the 3508 point, now again hit to support, again bounce, 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 Now again hit to support, but it tests the support, and now support change into the resistance, because you will get already one trade, and you will get second trade, and you will get third trade, and you will get fourth trade, and you will get in fifth trade, and you will get in sixth trade. You can easily grab money in this section. This is, you need to much practice as much as you can. You have more practice, you have more grip on this chart. Okay. Now on the next lecture, I will give you more example as practice. And if there anything you still do not understand, let me know in the question answer session. I will be there to respond as soon as possible. Okay, let's move on the next lecture.